Is Samsung finally making the Galaxy Z Fold feel truly ultra? A bold new leak says, yes, and it's not just about looks. With the Unpacked event just around the corner, the Z Fold7 is getting some serious attention. And now, its most anticipated spec is finally clear. We've had leaks about the design, the cameras, even a slimmer build. But the inner display size? That's been a mystery, until now. Leaker Panda Flash Pro claims the Fold7 will feature the same panel as a Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, but this time with ultra-slim 1mm bezels. That means you're looking at nearly 8.2 inches of immersive display, up from Fold6's bulkier borders. And it doesn't stop there. Rumors suggest Samsung is packing this beast with a Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite, a 200MP main camera, a larger 6.3-inch cover display, and a refined 4.5mm unfolded thickness, all while reducing that annoying crease we all hate. But here's the game changer. The Z Fold7's inner display is officially set at 8 inches, but with reduced bezels, it will feel and function like a full 8.2-inch tablet in your hands. That's the biggest visual leap since the first Fold. If this leak holds true, the Fold7 might just steal the foldable crown this year, not with flashy gimmicks, but with real flagship power. Ready to unfold the future? July's Unpacked event can't come soon enough.